good pancakes. You guys know whenever it's completed I get so excited. I was like, yeah, it tastes and looks so delicious. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Glad you're stopping by. If you haven't yet, hit the subscription button and the notification bell. In today's video, I will be making some banana pancakes with some strawberry topping. Some of you saw me posted pancake plate on Instagram and you're like, Darcy, come on please, come on YouTube and show us how to make these. I am going to make this unique pancake for you today. I'm going to add a few secret spices to there. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. Thank you again. Stick around for this full video. Let's get into prepping the pancake and the strawberries and hopefully you guys like it. Okay, so let's begin. Basically, this is what I am using. Anything I missed, I will show you guys that throughout the video. So I do have my strawberry here, a little bit of lemon juice, vegan butter. I have some oats because I love adding oats in my banana pancakes. I have 2 ripe bananas. I will be putting 1 banana and a half inside of my blender because I want it soft, and I will be mashing half of it because sometimes I like to see the chunky part of the banana in my pancakes, so I love to see that. I've got some cinnamon, I have nutmeg, coconut milk, sugar, nutmeg, and some spices. So first, let's head straight into this bowl. This is my Cuisinette bowl. I love using this for a lot of my cooking. So we're just going to place the strawberry inside of here. Okay, now I am going to add about a 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, that looks about good. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now I will be adding a little bit of water, just a little bit, just to get things started up. Say 1/4 cup of water, and we are going to place this on the stove. Let it simmer down, then I will come in, I will add a tiny bit of lime. Also, not forgetting cinnamon sticks. This is just to flavor it up. 2 cinnamon sticks. Let's put it in here, and this is ready for the stove. This smells so good. Ooh. Fresh strawberries. Ooh, yummy. To get my pancakes ready, what I will be doing, I will be putting about 1 teaspoon of vegan butter just so that it could be melted. We're going to add this to the batter. So I will just place this over some hot water and then it should be melted. Let's get our dry ingredients ready. Oat powder. This is oatmeal. We're just going to place it in here. I'm going to add a tiny bit more, so let's make this a 1/4 cup of oatmeal. I am going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, to sprinkle a little bit of our cinnamon. My son in the background, sorry about that. And I will be adding a tiny bit of sugar. So the sugar I will be using is date sugar. It's much better for me. I don't like my pancakes too sweet because again, I do have the strawberry with the syrup, so a tiny bit of this is really enough for me. So just about this amount. Date sugar in here. Sprinkle that in. Now it's time for our flour. Ensure that your flour is sifted prior to your mix. So we're going to sift the flour, about 1 cup of flour, before doing this, okay? Try to sift it. One cup of flour. That's it. So we have 1 cup of flour sifted. Another ingredient I like to sift is the baking powder. I'm going to be adding about 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is a 1/2 teaspoon here. I'm gonna put 1 more teaspoon, and that should be it. So I love to sift my baking powder as well. I'm gonna just sift that in, and we are going to add this full mix into the bowl. Dry ingredients together. that's it. Let's just add a tiny bit of salt. Sea salt helps everything taste wonderful, so we're gonna add a tiny bit of sea salt in there. Just a tiny bit of that. You just sprinkle it all over. Mix everything up. Let's set the dry ingredients on the side. Now it's time to work on our wet ingredients. I will be making some coconut milk. This is the milk I will be using. So we're gonna mix about a 1/4 cup of coconut powder in some water. Coconut powder, not fully, I'm just guesstimating. Add it in here. Stir this up. And now I am going to add the water. I'm going to check my strawberry in a minute. Not the same amount. And we are going to whisk this just to make the coconut milk. Whisk it up. Very nice. This should be about enough. So now this is done. Let's place this on the side. Banana. I am going to put about 1 banana in the blender. We're going to blend that up with the milk just so it has something to 1 banana and a half. This is 1.5, and then the rest I'm just going to squish that up. Squish it up so I have a few chunks of banana in. Pour the milk in there, and let's go blend that up. That should be good right here, and I'm going to pour the mixture in there. Very nice. Mix. I'm going to place my melted butter in there, and I'm going to add my banana. We're just gonna get a paring knife just to chunk this up and place it inside of it. Butter in. I'm just going to chop this up very small. Even though when we're using the whisk, it is going to be very like soft in there, but just going to help it a bit by chopping it a bit more. Just put this inside here, and let's continue mixing everything up. So I made about 1 cup of milk. Again, I'm just going to be adding this gradually, and then we are able to see what amount of liquid I need. Again, I am just creating these recipes. Right? When I worked as a chef, it was all about creating different things, bring it to the executive chef and see which one he likes. So then we could calculate everything. I said all the ingredients, and we could calculate everything and then come up with a recipe. So you see how it is starting to look. It looks good. It smells so delicious. Now you know something, I want to add inside here a little bit of lime zest, and I think I need a zester, so I am going to be purchasing one because I want to add a little bit of lime zest in that to give it a pizzazz. You know, I love to make sure that anything I'm making, it tastes good, the flavor is awesome. So when I open my restaurant, you guys could come over for some wonderful breakfast pancakes. This is going to be a staple, so the recipe is going to be for my restaurant. I'm going to add a little pizzazz in there, right? And then you could call it the Darcy King breakfast pancake. We're making this right now. It has coconut, it has nutmeg, it has a cinnamon in there. No, guess what? I am going to add some vanilla extract in it right now. This right here is my vanilla extract. I'm going to put about a teaspoon inside of here. This is going to make my kitchen smell so good. Ooh, smells so good. I can tell you this had better turn out finger licking good today. Like, whisk it. Look how beautiful it looks. So let's go heat up a pot and see how these pancakes going to cover. I had to change the strawberry. I added more, so the strawberries is actually in the pot right now. Let's get the pancake ready. This pot, as you can see, I have it on like medium heat right now. melted vegan butter at the bottom of my pot, just a little bit. So we're just going to scrape that out, maybe a quarter pancake. Let's make sure it is hot enough. We don't want to burn the pancake, but we do want it to be good. Let's pour that in. I am using this because I haven't got a round thing to make my pancake round, so this is what I'll be using. Let's put a cup. How I know my pancake is ready: anytime you see those little holes at the top, it means it is getting ready, and the sides, they're getting brown. Basically what you're looking for, those little holes. It means steam is actually passing through the holes of the pancake. That means it's gonna be red. It's ready to be lifted. You could see the edges, which means when you put your spatula in, you could actually lift it up and get a beautiful pancake. You could see the center as well is drying up a bit. So we're ready to flip this. So ready to flip, and then this is how your pancake is looking. All of them will not come out this neat, but it's beautiful. It is fluffy. The bottom, it's see how beautiful these pancakes are. Finger looking good. Do that on. Final pancake to the top. Looks good. Now it is time for our strawberry sauce. Let's put some strawberry sauce on here. Finger licking good pancakes. You guys know whenever it's completed, I get so excited. I was like, yep, it tastes and looks so delicious. There you have it. So we have completed our pancakes. Now it's time for the taste test. Very soft, very fluffy. I think we nailed it. If you love bananas, if you love coconut, it's really nice. Nice. I love it. Hope to see you in another video where I share one of my recipes with you. Again, if you haven't yet, hit the subscription button below. There is a notification bell. You can click it so you know when I upload an awesome finger licking good. Finger licking good recipe. I know you have been requesting more recipes from me on my YouTube platform. You love my Instagram posts, and I'm so happy you're joining me. So if you're someone who is on a journey to eating healthy, more plant-based meals, you're adding that to your diet, I think you'll love a lot of the recipes that I am actually sharing with you here on this platform. Don't forget, I do have an Instagram and Facebook page. You could go follow that. I post that every day. I think I cook every day at home, like maybe once in a while, like the Friday, sometimes I go out for a treat, but I cook mostly every day at home, and I have decided to continue sharing those meals with you on my different platforms. If you haven't yet, hit the subscription button. There is also a notification bell. You can click that so you're aware of when I upload awesome videos. I know for sure all the posts I will be posting will be finger licking good meals, so why not hit the subscription button?